using CapCut. Have you ever seen a TikTok video that looks super polished and wondered how it was made? Chances are it was edited using CapCut. Today, I'll show you how to take your TikTok videos to the next level using CapCut. Templates are one of the easiest ways to create trendy videos. Open a web browser and search for CapCut template. When you see a template on this website, look for the Use This Template button on the right of the video. Now it's time to add your own media. Select a video or photo from your phone's library. You can't record directly in the template. Adjust which portion of the clip you want by sliding through it. If the template has text, you can edit it by tapping the text, selecting Edit, and formatting it to fit perfectly. Take your time to position everything just right. Once your edits are done, click Done, then Export. Make sure to select Save and Share to TikTok without CapCut watermark, or just download from here. And that's it. You've successfully edited your TikTok video using CapCut. If you want more tips on TikTok trends and video editing, hit subscribe and comment below with your favorite editing tricks.